Have you ever watched a bird pecking at your window, thinking it's trying to fight its reflection? It's a common sight. Birds often mistake their own reflection for a rival, especially during mating season, when they're feeling territorial. This behavior can lead to repeated collisions, which can be harmful. To help our feathered friends, consider adding window decals or screens to break up the reflection. Simple changes can make a big difference, keeping birds safe while still enjoying their beauty in your yard. It's a win-win for nature lovers.